Hey, thanks for joining me on the channel. I'm Brandon, and today we're going to talk about everything that I saw at the SEMA show in Las Vegas last week that I personally plan on purchasing and using in our RV journeys. Now then, I'm not going to show you the entire SEMA show. There's other channels for that, all of the great off-road, off-grid RVs and everything. But today I'm really going to focus on just what I saw that excited me and I plan on using. So let's jump over to Las Vegas and I'm going to show you everything that I saw that I really thought was great. I have links in the description below if you want to check them out for yourself. Let's go to Las Vegas and see the SEMA show and everything that I loved about RV accessories and products that, again, I personally plan on using.
Hey guys, I'm Jamie with Pelican Products. We're here at Pelican Garage at SEMA 2025. So we've got a lot of awesome product on display, but I think when we're looking at the Airstream audience, one of the biggest things that we like to showcase is really our exterior vehicle organization with our cargo cases. So cargo case we make these here in the USA, and we've got about 6 different sizes. So depending on if you want to put it on top of your truck, if you want a bed mounted solution, all of this can be mounted to your vehicle without drilling, and then it securely locks your case to your vehicle. The best part, if we look at this one on the table here, all of these are quick release. So the mounts that mount to your vehicle, you can pull these 2 pins, case comes off if you need it off the vehicle, or when you want it on there permanently, you can lock it down, you lock the latch, it's down there. So it helps when you've got a lot of gear that you're storing, whether it's in your truck, you've got your family in there and you need to get gear out and organized, that's where cargo shines. But we've got a lot of other great solutions around the vehicle too. Everything from our Pelican Prepare, which are our newest emergency kits. This is a 1-person Pelican Prepare kit. So it's a 72-hour kit. It's got everything you need for 72 hours, from food and water to emergency radio, etc. We do this in a 1-person, 2-person, and 4-person. So this is something I like to keep in my truck. I keep a 1-person under the back seat, just so I know that if anything happens, I'm getting stranded on the highway, I've got the supplies that I need. So there's a lot of other solutions around Pelican outside of just cargo. We've got preparedness solutions, and then we've got a lot of just other gear organization, whether it's your Starlink and you want to protect that in transport. We make a custom Starlink mini case or standard Gen 3, or you can use our case for air up kits, gear storage, you name it. Big and small, we've got it. So a lot of great stuff at Pelican to help keep your gear organized. Yeah, we actually make a Ford specific mount for Fords that, again, easily integrates with the bed, so you can lock the crossbed case to your truck, and that way nobody's taking off with it. The beauty of that too is you can actually lock the latches, so the entire solution is fully locked down from a security perspective, so whatever you're keeping in there stays safe. For the truck beds for F-150s, we have our BX-135, which is 135 liters. For full size, we do a 255 liter BX-255. So we've got 2 options depending on the size of the truck, but both are, again, all made in the USA, lifetime warranty. All of this is available on Pelican.com. Whether it be cargo cases, Pelican Prepare, or any of our traditional Pelican Protector, the lightweight Air, or the affordable Vault line, all of our cases can be found there.
Hi, my name is Ryan from Onward Supply. We're here at SEMA and advertising all of our existing and new products this week. Just wanted to walk you through our, by far our best seller is the headrest organizer. So super underutilized space in almost all vehicles. It's neglected as far as storage, but it's easily accessible, out of the way. It's not going to get crushed, keep things from rolling around on the floor, et cetera, et cetera. We have a compression molded front panel here with the branding on it, super soft, nice to rest your head against. Looks slick as well. Fleece lined sunglass pocket up top. You can actually, while you're in the driver or passenger seat, just reach behind you, unzip, grab your sunnies. If you crush them up here, you're into real bad problems, so pretty safe spot for them. We use high-vis lining on all our pockets, so if it's dark out, you can see a little bit better, a little bit more contrast. So the headrests have a large single pocket, and then a smaller front pocket. We usually keep a couple of protein bars in there, or dog, products, leashes, waste bags, etc. We do have our map system on the front where you can actually attach a couple of our other accessories onto the front, the smaller accessories. Definitely a crowd favorite is the elastic loops on the bottom. You know, bug spray, sunscreen, even bear spray fits in here, so you know exactly where it is all the time. It's always in your rig. They come in 2 sizes, 2 colors. This is the standard, fits 90% of vehicles out there. There are a few trim packages that require a little bit larger headrest. The large is basically the same size, just has a little bit more expansion on the side, so it can wrap around the larger ones. But yeah, check them out. $100 retail, great price point. You'll keep it forever. We use the highest quality materials, zippers, etc. So these are going to stand the test of time.
Where can we find you?
OnwardSupply.com. And we're booth 61146 at SEMA if you're here. And also this is the black topo colorway, also known as iron. And then over here we have the camel topo colorway. So a little bit of contrast. Keep an eye on us. We're going to be coming out with more SKUs in this department later. So.
What's going on, guys? We're here at the IceCo booth. We're doing a product showcase on our brand new IPT20. This is basically what we'd consider like a center console fridge, currently marketed for the full-size crew cab trucks. You can imagine that you're sitting in the driver's seat or the passenger seat. All you have to do is reach back right here, open her up. Now you have your drinks, cold snacks, anything in there. It's gonna be powered off of external battery packs, so you can plug it directly into your truck. We're looking at branching out on different models in the near future here as well. But brand new product showcasing for us here at SEMA that we're officially launching.
Hi guys, Andy Weiss with Truck Trolley. Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you what we got. All right, we have the Truck Trolley, which is a lightweight roller tray system for the bed of your pickup truck. It installs or uninstalls in less than a minute. So when you need the full utility of your truck bed, you can get it. And when you want the convenience, you just pop this thing back in and away you go. No tools required for install. It's installed by a strap system and allows you to get full access to the trolley from the tailgate of your pickup truck. Now, a new product that we're releasing this year is our divider system. So this divider base will allow you to control all your gear in your truck bed. Coolers, totes, toolboxes, so they don't slide around. An added feature is that now you can take that base and configure it with some of your other accessories. So this Milwaukee pack-out base has our divider system, locks into the trolley, and now your full-size pack-out tools and cases can lock in and get access to it, either tailgate side, or you can turn it 90 degrees and get a side load. Now with this system, you can get it at any one of your truck accessory stores nationwide. You can visit us at trucktrolley.com and check us out.
Hi, I'm Nick from Leer Group, and this is our Leer modular cap. We're seriesing this as the next cap, that's what we're calling it. This modular cap's a 5-piece unit. It's going to come together. It can be assembled in about an hour. This unit has 660 pound weight capacity up on top. The whole unit actually weighs 240 pounds. We are bringing this in at MSRP at $28.99. We have storage bin boxes available for the sides. We're later going to be doing divider side systems in here as well. This comes tooled with a brake light on the back and an interior dome light inside, which most modular caps will not do. Functionality has actually got a remote switch. The remote switch can be put anywhere where you choose to have it. This is all very, very nicely designed. We also have T-track systems and multi panels all the way around. With this T-slot system, you can now mount exterior lights, you can mount safety equipment, you can mount your shovels. All kinds of items can be actually added to this modular cap system. What's very unique about this is we have one SKU number to fit all short bed, full-size vehicles. So your F-150s, your Dodge Ram, your Chevrolet Silverado, and even your Toyota Tundra, all in one SKU number. Our clamping system is very unique and will work also on the Utilitrack clamping systems for Toyota as well.
Can you get windows?
No windows are going to be an option on this. However, we do have the crossbars up on top that come included in that unit price for $28.99. Those crossbars, you can have to slide those forward and back and put them in whatever position you need. That way they can be utilized for tent systems or any of those accessories you want to put up on top. So right now, these storage bins on the sides, these guys are going to come in at $5.99 per storage bin. And like I said, we will be looking at doing some with shelving inside of there and possibly doing some drawer systems as well too. So that will be coming very soon. This is going to be delivered directly to your door. You can go on to Leer.com. We are doing pre-orders on this right now. It will be available in January of 2026. So shipped to your door, $28.99.
So I've been seeing a lot of these all-in-one tire inflator and jump start packs, which I think is probably a pretty good idea. I carry a Viair right now. I carry around a jump starter, and so I think this all-in-one would be a great way to like save some space and some weight. As you can see, plenty of power, plenty of inflation PSI to air up those Super Duty tires, your Airstream tires, your Sprinter tires, whatever it may be, and in a pretty good form factor. I've seen a lot of these, and Wolfbox by far has the best, looking one as far as build quality, the display and everything. So the Wolfbox Megavolt 16 Air looks like it's something that I would definitely carry around. Okay, that wraps it up from Las Vegas. If you saw something that you were interested in, I'll make sure that link is down in the description below. Now then, if this is your first time on the channel, or if you have yet to subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.